Fight night. Alright, fight night round 2. Kids versus kid. Go. Darling, kick her tail. Jonathan, pin her on the ground. Y'all take it slow a little bit. Look at the nipples. Teabagger. Stop it. Stop it. Teabaggerization. Darling, give her a big kiss. Alright, this is all we have for you today, but this is, you can look us up on, YouTube. Hey! You can look me up on YouTube. Look at kids, fight right now. Fight night, fight 2 or fight 1. Alright, see y'all.